now been walking around Sydney, Australia for 7 hours and my feet are killing me. Oh my lord. My calves are gonna grow by like 10 centimeters each. Almost at the hotel. Can't take these pants off. God damn. So today we're gonna go meet the birth parents of her eggs. One of her eggs. They have a child from her. And they're the ones she's donating to again. Okay. Okay.
Eat on the go.
Yeah. Gotta eat. Keep making those gains. Even though I haven't trained in a week. Oh well.
How is life in Australia?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, mate. Can somebody please let me know how long it takes for you to stop mockingly say everything with an Australian accent?
We basically had to run here to make the time. We have an appointment at 11 to climb the bridge. It's gonna be really fun. It's a long way and high up, so it's gonna be fun. And yeah, I'm already sweaty, I'm already tired, so it's gonna be good. We'll be there for 3 hours, I believe, so tons of fun. Alright, hey guys, we're at the Sydney Harbour Bridge on top of it over here. The view is awesome. Here's my lovely girlfriend. Awesome time. So that was pretty awesome. We walked over all of this bridge. Yeah, got our photos taken and something. Amazing experience. And now we're in this market trying to get some pizza, but they don't take card, you know. Third world country. Just ordered some pizza, authentic Italian pizza. Damn. Damn. All right. So now we're going out to do what we came here to do, or what she came here to do. I'm not doing a thing. She's doing a retrieval surgery. Yeah. So just got out of the hospital after 8 hours being there.
8 hours of throwing up and being very disoriented and then drugged, which is quite nice, but I'm out.
Yeah, and I've been waiting. It's been a lot of fun.
No drugs for Teddy.
No, sadly not. But yeah. Then
I finally stopped throwing up, so now I'm gonna have some lunch.
yeah.
I'm very disoriented.
Disoriented. This is a fancy way of saying you're drugged. Nice. Yo, we're going out to eat. Sorry. So we are spending the night in this little tent out in the wild. Not in the wild, but in the zoo. It's pretty cozy.
Okay, guys, I'll tell you a little bit about Snore first. There.
It's funny how you imagine them as slimy before you see one in real life.
Yeah, he's not though, is he?
It's gonna be a pleasant night. There are metal rods sticking into my feet because they're sticking out of the bed. Good morning. She slept terrific. I slept terribly. The bed squeaks so much when you move a little bit. I've never slept worse, I think. And also my feet were out of the bed, so oh well. You got no complaints? I do. And they're listening to The Lion King next to you. It's a turkey nest. Not the county turkey, but a turkey. It's mating season.
Aldrei verra heldur en þegar þetta byrjaði að flafla á þakkinu okkar.
Adorable little monkeys.
Come on, Albus. These guys are from Iceland. They don't care.
Favorite thing in the whole world. Even more favorite than me. So that's the end of the Roar and Snore experience. It is around 10. The zoo is just opening up to the public. And yeah. You fucking what, mate? I swear me mom. It's adorable. I just said these were llamas, and she told me they were alpacas. And I'm an uncultured swine. When gonna go see some more penguins. Hello. They have red eyes. Looks like a vampire. Oh. Hello. How you doing? He's coming too. Hello.
Hey!
Little mole right here. Please poop for me. Look at those people. Those losers. Everybody just remember to buy American Express, the best way to pay for your rubber-ducker-dur. So, ending our day here at the Taronga Zoo.
Tired AF.
That's fuck. Yeah, it's been an enjoyable ride, this roar and snore, even though I didn't sleep that well, but you know, whatever. It's nice.
It's more of a roar and snooze.
Indeed. That's gonna do it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe, like the video. Everything will really help me and support the channel. Thank you so much. See you later. Live long and prosper.